In this tutorial, I will show you how to get API key from Google Studio in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, open any of the browser and search for aistudio.google.com. Now from the bottom of left side, click on Get API Key. Here all your current keys will appear. Now click on Create API Key. Here set any name. Now in the section of Choose an Imported Project, you have to click on Select a Cloud Project. Here you can import a project and can create a new project and also select a default Gemini project. I am selecting default Gemini project. After this, click on Create Key. Within few minutes, your key will be created. Now just click on the key and here you can see all the details of your key. And by clicking on Copy Key, you can copy the API key of your project and can paste it anywhere. And if you want to rename or delete the key, you just have to click on these three vertical dots. Here you can rename or delete your key. So that's how you can get API key from Google Studio in just few easy steps.